High mercury levels have been discovered in striped bass in southern Utah. The fish were found in parts of Lake Powell and in Quail Creek Reservoir. For pregnant women, chronic exposure to mercury may result in neurological effects in your baby. The health department advises everyone to limit how much they eat.
Hello, I am the company director of BlueHealth Enviro, Aneesha, Manocha. 10 years ago, I had a mercury poisoning scare in Japan. I was okay in the end, but it was a jarring experience that has stayed with me as I grew up. When I became older, I began researching the effects of mercury poisoning. Health systems across the globe spend billions of dollars on mercury poisoning and its effects. For this reason, I found my team of friends with a similar motivation as mine and launched BlueHealth Enviro's product, MercCure.
We all came together at NCSSM, a residential high school with a STEM focus, to further explore our passions and interests. The Conrad Spirit of Innovation Challenge was a perfect way for us to come together to really allow us to make real-world solutions. We discussed the implications of mercury on human health, and thus MercCure was created.
Both inorganic and methylmercury bioaccumulate and biomagnify throughout aquatic ecosystems. However, organic mercury is by far the most toxic type of mercury, as it bioaccumulates throughout an ecosystem and diffuses easily throughout the body and into the brain.
As our company's public relations representative, my job is to market our product and explain exactly why it is necessary. I learned mercury pollution is one of the major sources of toxic air emissions from industrial facilities, which can then travel in the atmosphere for hundreds of miles. When birds and other mammals are exposed to mercury, the result is often death or reproduction impairment. Mercury is a potent neurotoxin and has many dangerous effects on humans, such as damage to cognitive thinking, memory, the ability to learn, and motor skills, and permanent damage to the heart, brain, kidneys, lungs, and immune system.
MercCure is a device that filters both organic and inorganic mercury from bodies of water. Our device is targeted to be used in fish farms, acting before fish can even absorb the potent neurotoxin. Along with the scientist, I've designed a 3-filter system in order to reduce mercury levels in bodies of water.
As the head researcher at BlueHealth Enviro, I spend my time testing various filtration methods for our product. I have concluded that the first filter should perform the job of filtering large particulate debris such as sand, soil, or insects. An inexpensive micron pad mesh filter can act to make sure that no other particles clog the other filters of the system and that mercury is not disrupting the surrounding ecosystem. The second filter is split into 2 parts, the absorption level and the coagulation level. The first level focuses on absorption of inorganic mercury. Oleic acid with brick waste is a cheap, accessible, and effective method in absorbing inorganic mercury from the water at high rates. The second level uses ferric sulfate as a coagulating agent in order to target methylmercury concentrations. The third filter uses a semi-permeable layer of a thinner micron filter to eliminate any potential output of the coagulated toxins. Our innovative approach of brick waste absorption and coagulation, although used in theory for waste areas, is not currently on the market as a physical filtration pump for areas that are used for human consumption. Although clean seafood sources are precious, a practical solution to reduce mercury bioaccumulation in areas of aquaculture does not yet exist.
We have created a practical solution. When the product is ordered, each package comes with a mercury device, additional filters, instructions on downloading and connecting the phone app to the device, and containers for disposing the filter. The phone app connects to the filter via Bluetooth and alerts the user when it is necessary to change filters. Once fully constructed, the entire filter is around 2 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet, making it transportable and easy to handle.
We also understand the concern of handling methylmercury coagulated byproducts. We therefore include 5 mercury containers in order for the consumer to easily dispose of the filters. There are in-depth instructions on where and how to dispose of the methylmercury filters safely.
A major difficulty with our design process was that mercury is highly hazardous and cannot be easily handled or studied in many lab environments. Thus, to obtain our facts and figures, we relied on peer-reviewed sources released in scientific journals. However, we are steadily working to perform our own testing very soon and are currently working with substitute metals like zinc to gain even more concrete evidence.
Filtered and pure, vote MercCure.